So here's a torque sensing setup here. I've got two brass rods that fit together snugly. They are telescoping rods. And I've got a shim here to help reduce the friction. So I just put the two together here. And you can see that's just basically neutral right there. I don't have the load cell tied both sides, just one. So you can see it's neutral about 1.96. And so now I'm going to install this part. And this measures the rotational torque of the brass rods. And so now you can see when I twist the rod just very lightly, I get a reading in one direction or the other. And so this one side of the brass rod will be trimmed around here, and that'll anchor there to the holder. And this side of the brass rod will go up to the head restraint setup. And here it is trimmed down.